Differences between marble and quartzite countertops. Dear friends, marble and quartzite are both premium natural stones often used for kitchen and bathroom countertops. While they may look similar at first glance, their properties and performance are quite different. Marble is famous for its soft veining and elegant appearance. It adds a luxurious and classic charm to interiors, especially in traditional and modern homes. However, marble is a relatively soft stone, which makes it more prone to scratches, etching, and stains from acidic substances like lemon juice or coffee. Quartzite is a much harder and denser natural stone. It is formed from sandstone under intense heat and pressure, making it extremely durable. Quartzite countertops are highly resistant to scratches, heat, and everyday wear, making them ideal for busy kitchens. When it comes to maintenance, marble requires regular sealing and careful cleaning to preserve its beauty. Even with sealing, it needs gentle handling. Quartzite also needs sealing, but it is generally easier to maintain and more forgiving in daily use. In terms of cost, marble is usually more affordable and widely available. Quartzite tends to be more expensive due to its strength, durability, and limited availability. In conclusion, choose marble if you prioritize elegance and visual appeal, and choose quartzite if you want a strong, long-lasting countertop with better resistance for everyday use. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.